All right. Well, I told you I'd be back. We're going to take a look at special products, meaning some special multiplication situations that you want to really pay close attention to. So here's x plus 5 quantity squared. Let me tell you what this is not. This is not x squared plus 5 squared. No, don't do that. Because we're taking x plus 5 times itself. So what this really means is to take x plus 5 times x plus 5. Come on with me. Let's go to the boxes. So when you do this, this is going to be x plus 5 times x plus 5. So x times x gives us the first box of x squared. And 5 times x gives us 5x here and down here. And 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, well, that's kind of fast, but I think you caught on to that hopefully pretty well in the last video. When we put things together, this is x squared plus 10x plus 25. Do we get a different answer than doing what you see over here on the right? Absolutely. This would be x squared plus 25. What's missing? The middle term. There's no 10x to it. So really, really be careful with that. Okay. Now you're going to be able to get to the point where you can probably do something like I just showed you in your head. That's the goal. We'll do that in the teacher talk. We'll see if you're seeing some of these patterns. Let's look at the second one. Now this one, my friends, is 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. We end up with negative 3x's and a positive 1. So that gives us 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. But probably one of the most common ones is this one, x plus 7x minus 7. So we know x times x is x squared, and 7 times x is 7x. And x times negative 7 is negative 7x. 7 times negative 7 is negative 49. Look what happens here. Now, in all three of these up above here, these 5x's went together. These negative 3x's went together. And these 7x's and negative 7x's go together, but they make 0. And this has a special name. It's called a difference of squares. And what a difference of squares really is, everybody, is think of it this way. X times x is x squared. And 7 times 7 is 49. So this is really x squared minus 7 squared. And we never write it like that, but we have to think about that because that's really what's happening. Okay. 3 at the bottom here, independent practice. Find the product of each of those. If you think you can do that in your head on all 3 of those, just bing, bang, boom, just knock those out. Pause the video and check out the answers here in one moment. All right, that's it. Those are the 3 answers. Use the box method on all of them. You've got binomials multiplied by each other in every single one of those. All right. Hey, when we get to the teacher talk on this, I want to make sure when you meet with us that you can use either FOIL, you can use the box method, and you can start working on the practice on this. Once you get the hang of it, hey, it is kind of fun. So we'll see you when we do that teacher talk. That is coming up. See you soon for that.